Hello, friends, and welcome back to Edureify YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today, Edureify is in front of you and will sharing some information for the aspirants of IBPS Clerk Main examinations. So you will be getting some tips and tricks to solve this exam paper in less time with a time management process. So without wasting a minute, let's get into the video. And जिसने भी अभी तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, please do subscribe our channel. Hit on the bell icon. So now, as you can see, edurify.com, our website is already open. We have learned, practice, and online test. So today we are going to attempt the online test for IBPS examinations. So here you get the IBPS Clerk Main examination. Simply click on it. So there are practice tests for doing the practice, and as we all know that the IBPS clerk main examinations, there is the age group of 20 to 28. You must have done the graduation degree. So let's start with our revision. So we'll select our test, subject, English language, chapter, direct and indirect speech. Here comes the test. Let's start. So the first question is, the accused said to the magistrate, "Pardon me this time, sir." So the possible four correct answers are: the accused begged the magistrate to pardon him that time, the accused advised the magistrate to pardon him that time, the accused told the magistrate to pardon me that time. The accused ordered the magistrate to pardon him that time. So, whichever answer you find is correct, simply click on it, save, and move to next. So, next question comes. The speaker said, "Gentlemen, I am going to discuss the food situation in our country." So, the correct answers are A. The speaker told the gentleman that he is going to discuss the food situation in their country. Next, addressing them as gentlemen, the speaker said that he is going to discuss the food situation in their country. And likewise, C and D. So, whichever is correct, click on it, save, and next. She said, Satish sung. So, the right answer is she said that she really liked that furniture. So if you want to see कि हमने अभी तक जो भी क्वेश्चंस अटेम्प्ट किए हैं उसका आंसर सही है और अगर सही है तो उसका डिटेल सोल्यूशन क्या है, सो प्लीज edurify.com हमारी वेबसाइट पर अभी लॉग इन करिए एंड IBPS एग्जाम के लिए मॉक टेस्ट अटेम्प्ट करिए और अपना ऑनलाइन स्कोर चेक करिए. सो एड्यूरीफाई करो, पढ़ाई करो. थैंक यू.